In this video, I'll show you how to get coupon codes for JD Sports. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, open up any web browser, head on over to Google, and now inside the Google search bar, type in discount codes for JD Sports, and then hit search. And then you'll be brought to Google search results, as you can see, and you've got all the big third-party sites offering coupon discount codes. So as you can see, you got Join Honey, which is a sponsored result. You got Coupon Follow, got Elle, got Coupon Nation, Lifehacker, even Frugal Feeds, Marie Claire, etc., etc. So you can check out any one of these sites to get coupon codes, but the one I really like to use is the one called Coupon Follow. So as you can see, there's 10% off in June 2024. I'm making this video in 2024 June. So I'm inside Coupon Follow, and as you can see, there are different coupon codes. You got 10%, 20% off, 50% off, $10 off, etc. So to activate any one of these offers, simply click into it. So if I want to say 50%, I'm going to click into this offer. These offers do change daily or weekly, so be sure to check them out whenever you can. So what you want to do is click on copy code and then paste this code at the checkout section of JD Sports to activate your 50% off.